Siemens Energy is currently booking for 2029. So, we're looking, they're fully booked up, and they've just recently announced that they're looking to expand their production capacity, which will take some time to do.
The opportunity is definitely huge, as Omid outlined, and the market for gas turbines is going from 60 gigawatts a few years ago, and there's a 100 gigawatt figure sort of circling around in the market, which is going to be towards the end of this decade.
When I think about the power sector in general in the United States, we had approaching 25 years ago, we had a big boom in CCGT build out in the States. And I think a lot of the players who purchased those and installed them got a little bit burned.
That's exactly why GE has been non-committal to more units beyond 2028.
The way I like to think about the wind turbine business is they're loss leaders. So the same way on Black Friday, I got a PlayStation for very cheap, but the games are expensive. Wind turbines are relatively cheap, and they make their money on the servicing side.
I want to share three stats here with you that's relevant to answer this question. In 2025, global electricity demand grew twice as fast as total energy demand. Right, that's quite exceptional year. And worldwide, we had 1.3 trillion euros that was invested in power generation and grid this year alone. And looking ahead, many forecasters like IEA are pointing to a 45% increase in global electricity demand by 2035. And more specifically for Siemens Energy, there's a number of investment programs that align directly with its businesses that are also causing this capacity constraint. On the energy security front, annual gas capacity additions until 2035 could see a 50% increase.
When we look at 2026, I think there's three key points that we want to focus on. So there is resilient global demand. A lot of that is onshore. You've got margin expansion, and then the last one is offshore execution risks.
If you look at the battery storage numbers coming out of California and Texas, I mean, it's an emergent trend. If I were to sort of identify one of the things that's just going to continue to really have an impact on power markets in 2026, 2027, it seems like the day of battery storage has arrived.